Global Traders is a company specializing in the importation of distinctive products from China. The company, under the leadership of Mr. Harris, demonstrated an exceptional ability to source high-quality and unique items, ranging from exquisite porcelain dishes to cutting-edge electronic gadgets, which captivated the local market. Every month, the arrival of a container ship marked a significant event for global traders. This ship carried the latest consignment from China, a result of the diligent efforts and meticulous selection by Mr. Harris and his Chinese contact, Mr. Chen. One morning, Mr. Harris received an enthusiastic call from Mr. Chen, who assured him that the latest shipment included special items that would undoubtedly appeal to their customers. Mr. Harris, accompanied by his efficient assistant, Lucy, proceeded to the docks to oversee the inspection of the new arrivals. Upon opening the first container, they discovered an array of hand-painted vases, luxurious silk scarves, and the latest smartphone accessories. Lucy promptly updated the company's online store, leading to an immediate surge in orders. Their customers, eager to acquire these distinctive products, responded enthusiastically, further solidifying Global Traders' reputation for excellence. In celebration of the successful shipment, Mr. Harris organized a special event at the store, featuring Chinese cultural elements such as lanterns and traditional snacks. This event not only boosted sales, but also fostered a greater appreciation for Chinese culture among the attendees. The impact of Global Traders' operations extended beyond mere commerce to encompass cultural exchange and enrichment. Through its strategic importation practices and commitment to quality, Global Traders exemplified the potential of international trade to bridge cultural gaps and deliver unique value to local markets, reinforcing the interconnectedness of global economies.